Hello kids, today we will draw a burger. So let's start. First draw the bun. Make a round shape, like this. Now let's make the burger stuffing. Draw a wavy line to make the cabbage lettuce. Just draw like me, and it will look very delicious. Well done, it's looking very great. Now make the other layer. Do the same thing, but make it a little different. Make it more wavy, and it will look like cheese. Make another layer for burger patty. Good job, it's looking very delicious. Lastly, draw the lower bun, and it's done. Look, the burger is complete, but let's make it more cute. Draw two big eyes of burger. Make a circle and slowly fill the color. Fill slowly and carefully, and don't forget to make the eyelashes. Well done. Now draw the another eye. Just do the same thing. First draw a circle and fill black color on it. Don't forget to make the eyelashes and make a cute, happy smile. Good job, look how cute it's looking. Lastly, draw a cute heart on top of burger. Look, we complete our drawing, so let's color it. Use light brown color on bun. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. If you color the outline first, then color will not go outside. If you don't have light brown color, then you can also use light orange color. Color very carefully and color outline of the eyes. Don't color on the eyes. If you color the outline first, then color will not go outside. Color very slowly, and don't make any mistake. As always, color the outline, the color everywhere. Color very slowly, and don't make any mistake. Make sure to color on the lower bun. Well done, now let's color on the lettuce. Use green color and color carefully on wavy area. Good job, it's looking very great. Now use dark yellow color on cheese. Color the outline, then slowly fill the color. Don't make any mistake, and color only in cheese area. Lastly, use dark brown color on burger patty. Color very slowly, and don't make any mistake. Well done, we almost complete our drawing. Lastly, use red color in the heart, and it's done. To make it more cute and shiny, use white color. First, draw a white circle on eyes. Make 2 circles on each eye. Good job, now use white color on other eye also. Make a big and small circle. To make the burger more pretty, use white color on layer of burger. Make some line, and it will shine very greatly. Use white color on cheese and burger patty also. Lastly, use white color on heart, and it's done. Well done, we complete our drawing. You know what? I love burger. And it's looking very delicious. Click here to subscribe my Kid Cartoon channel.